As a model living in Los Angeles, my days are usually full of hair, makeup, outfit changes, and getting that shot right for all of your favorite brands, including FabFitFun. But we're not at headquarters today. Today, we are a model off duty. Today is going to be a much needed self-care day, so I wanted to stop by the grocery store to find some eucalyptus because I need to replace the one that's in my shower right now. I can't do my everything shower without it. After I left the grocery store, I had to get the mandatory outfit check in. This is the model off-duty uniform, white top and jeans, and it was such a gorgeous day out, so I went for a little walk. As soon as I got home, I hopped straight in the bathroom to get my everything shower out of the way. This is the most time-consuming part of my self-care day. We're washing our hair, we're conditioning it, we're detangling it, we're doing a body scrub. We're taking the time to take care of ourselves today. And now it's time for my favorite part, lighting a candle, getting comfy on my couch, putting on my favorite show, and finally relaxing. Until next time.